Hello, good morning, and welcome. Yeah, I just wanted to make a video about looking at some legal English vocabulary and expressions in the field of constitutional law, and specifically in the field of the amnesty being offered by the Spanish government to the people involved in the independence process between 2013 and 2023. There's been a lot of discussion about whether this amnesty is within or indeed outside the ambit. In English, we say the ambit of the Constitution. And people have been mentioning this, even though the concept of amnesty and pardon isn't mentioned in the Constitution. So going on, I mean, there's no doubt that the popular party, the opposition party in Spain, the opposition party are going to file an appeal. They're going to file an appeal in the Constitutional Court, claiming that the amnesty is illegal. Basically, it's against the principles of the Spanish Constitution. So that's what we say. We say to file an appeal, and probably they'll also file another appeal at European level, possibly initially in one of the groups at the European Parliament. So we have two expressions that we can use when we're speaking about an amnesty. We can use the expression to grant a pardon, or indeed to offer an amnesty. So those are two verb forms that we can use: to grant a pardon or to offer an amnesty. And then another interesting point about what happened yesterday in relation to the amnesty was that the proposal for the law. So basically the bill, in English we say the bill put forward by the Socialist Party in the Congress was basically only signed by that particular party. It wasn't signed by any of the other parties who are going to be necessary in order to pass the law, which I thought was quite interesting. So for this, we would use the expression co-signatories. In the case of the bill registered at Congress, there were no co-signatories. In Spanish, the translation for bill in Spanish would be prospecto ley, propuesta ley, propuesta de ley, or the short form is propuesta ley. In English, we say a bill registered in the Congress. And just something else I wanted to finish with. So a lot of the opposition party members, like for example Isabel Díaz Ayuso, they're talking about a coup d'état. In Spanish you say golpe de estado, but in English we say coup d'état. In fact, in English we use the French when we're speaking about golpe de estado. We say coup d'état. And I suppose it's possible that that people in both leading parties in Spain maybe need to be a little bit careful with their language. But that's all I wanted to speak about today. So I'll put the vocabulary. I'll put the vocabulary in this video in the when I post it on LinkedIn. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Cheers. Bye.